Hi, welcome everybody. Today's lesson is on safety in the lab. It's a short video today, but it's very important. I want to show you the safety features of the lab we're going to be in on Tuesday. So there is in the lab on the same wall as the door, this safety features. They're all right next to each other. So this thing in orange is called a safety shower. So if you pull this cord right here, water will dump on top of you, and you use that in case of emergency. In case you get a large amount of a dangerous chemical over your body, you're going to pull that cord and water will come down. If you just get a undangerous chemical on your body, like you spilled salt water on yourself, you would not use this safety shower. But if it was a dangerous chemical on a majority of the body, you're going to use this safety shower. If you spill a dangerous chemical just on your hand, you would just wash it off in the sink. But if you get a dangerous chemical over your major part of your body, you're going to come to this safety shower and pull this knob right here. If you get, there's the knob that you're going to pull down, or handle, I guess. This here is an eye wash station. So you're going to put your face here if you get any dangerous chemical in your eye. And if you don't know if it was dangerous or not, always come over here anyhow. Hopefully you'll never have to use this because you've been wearing your safety goggles the whole time. But if you do, your eyes are very sensitive. You come over here, take off your goggles, you put your head here, and then you're going to push this forward. You're going to push that forward, and water will come out. You keep your head there for a minimum of 15 minutes with your eyes as open as you can possible so that you rinse all the chemicals out of your eye. If there is a fire in the class, we have two safety devices. One, a fire extinguisher, which is for objects, and we also have a fire blanket. I know how to use the fire extinguisher, so I will grab that. The fire blanket is for people. Also, a small fire, you can get the blanket and put it over a small fire to snuff that out. There is a handle here that you pull down. You would wrap yourself up in the blanket and stop, drop, and roll, or you would bring the blanket to somebody else if there was a fire and they had it on their body or their clothing. All of these safety devices are together in this one area on the wall. So when we get there on Tuesday, make sure before you do anything, you check so you know exactly where the safety items are, where the safety shower is. The eye wash is right underneath, and right next to it is a fire extinguisher and the fire blanket. So we all want to always stay safe in class. See you in class. Thanks for listening.